Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Traditional way of vattakozhambu. For this kozhambu, turkey berry or sundakka vattal is used. It is good for digestion, treats anemia, manages sugar and for heart wellness. It will take only 15 minutes of preparation. Let's see that. Soak lemon-sized tamarind for 10 minutes. Tamarind will give tangy taste to vattakozhambu. Take a dry pan, add 2 spoons of sesame oil. Before adding any ingredients to the oil, you have to heat it up. Once it gets heated up, add half cup of turkey berry. In Tamil it is sundakka vattal, which you will get it in grocery stores. Fry this sundakka vattal until it turns black. It took 1 minute for me to turn it to black. Transfer this fried turkey berry to a plate. You can eat this sundakka vattal after frying. The taste will be good. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and heat it. Once it is heated, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Add 1 spoon of tur dal. Quarter spoon of fenugreek. Little coriander leaves or curry leaves. 4 pinch of hing. Keep the flame low and mix it. Extract tamarind water from the tamarind and add 2 cups of tamarind water. Add half spoon of turmeric for color. Adding half spoon of salt because we already have salt in the sundakka vattal, so I am adding little. Now add fried turkey berry. This is the traditional way of vattakozhambu. Some people add onion, garlic and other vegetables, but those are not required for traditional way. Add 2.5 spoons of sambar podi. It is for spiciness and also to give thickness. Mix all these ingredients well. This will give the thickness to the kozhambu. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we will be ready with another important ingredient for thickness. In a bowl, add 1 spoon of rice flour and add little water to it. Mix it very well. Avoid lumps to it and keep it ready. 1 spoon is enough. If you add more, the taste will get changed. Add this water to the boiling vattakozhambu. This will give good consistency of this kozhambu. For faster cooking, we have to close the lid and let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the lid and you could see the bubbles like this. Wow, see the consistency. It is really good. Our traditional way of vattakuழம்பு is ready now. Transferring this vattakuழம்பு to a serving bowl, this can be mixed with rice or as a side dish for curd rice. Try this recipe and give a comment. Subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you.